Hi guys, and welcome back. So today's video is going to be in collaboration with Michelle from Dezinefun. I love her channel. She has amazing content. She does DIY videos, home decorating videos where she actually shares how she decorates her house on a budget, and she is super creative. You guys will love her. The link to her channel will be down in the description box. Make sure that you go check her out, and if you're not already subscribed to her, I would love it if you guys would subscribe to her channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my summer whimsical tablescape that I put together for an event that we had. I hope that this inspires you. So if you want to see how I put this together, just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with putting this tablescape together. I felt that it would be really nice for us to actually decorate together. So first, I am using this table runner that I got from Walmart. It is just a simple, plain white table runner. So I decided to move my blue chair or switch it out with the one in the corner just to kind of mute out the blue a little bit because I am introducing a new color to the space. And I'm using the centerpiece here that I used in my previous tablescape. I will link it up if you missed that. I'm also using this vase from Ross. It was about $14.99 with this floral arrangement that I made. So whatever I do for the left, I will do for the right. So I'm going to go ahead and use the same vase with the same type of floral arrangement, and that is going to go on the right side of this table. So here is what we have so far. It is already looking beautiful. I love it. Next, I decided to add this candlestick that I got from TJ Maxx. I think it was after Christmas clearance. So I have two of them. So again, I am placing one on the left and on the right. And I'm using this glass candlestick that I got from Dollar Tree along with the tapered candle. So I'm just going to go ahead and set that up on the left and on the right hand side. So here is what we have so far. I'm already in love with the center area. It is beautiful. So here is a wreath that I have from last year. It's a fall wreath, and I took out the greenery so that we can use that and repurpose that for our tablescape. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that greenery and wrap it around the center of this table. So basically I just took that over the vase and just kind of wrapped it around the centerpiece to add a little bit more greenery to this tablescape, and I love it. It is really simple, but it's gorgeous. I love it. So here's what we have so far. I am totally in love with this tablescape. So I took some wildflowers from the Dollar Tree. I cut out 3 of it, and I'm just going to go ahead and add that to my setup here just to add a little bit of pop of like white, and I love the way it looks. Next, I am adding some string light just to add a little bit more whimsical touch to our tablescape here, and it is really beautiful. I love that touch. So I'll share my table setting with you guys. The placemat is from Dollar Tree. They have different colors. The charger is from Pier 1. The dinner plate along with the salad plate is also from the Dollar Tree. Guys, I love that paisley print on that dinner plate. It is gorgeous. And my napkin came from Amazon. I decided to add this candle holder that I got from the Dollar Tree. I love the color because it has that greenish bluish color. And then I decided to add this brooch from Totally Dazzle. And my utensils are also from the Dollar Tree. This is just to show you that you can create a beautiful table setting with Dollar Tree items or inexpensive items, or mixing items that are cheaper with items that are expensive or a little bit cost a little bit more. So here is the final product of my beautiful, whimsical tablescape for my event. I put this together for an event that we had or hosted, and I wanted something that was bold. I wanted something that was like extravagant, and this really did that. Everyone admired this tablescape and the table setting, and I love that I could use items that I already had and mix it up with Dollar Tree items. I love the way this turned out. Let me know what you guys think. What is your favorite part of this table setting? Would you recreate something like this? And let me know if you were inspired by this. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I really enjoyed decorating and styling this table with you guys. I hope you got some ideas from it. Let's get the conversation going down in the comment section. And I do have another video coming for you guys next week. It will be about DIYs for your coffee table. So make sure that you turn on your notification bell. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye bye.